So you're looking for an e-commerce solution and you keep seeing Shopify everywhere. And then you saw Ecwid and you were like, how do you even pronounce that? Ecwid is a hidden gem, and it just may be a better e-commerce solution for you than Shopify. At the end of this video, you will have a clear path to knowing if Ecwid or Shopify is a better solution for your business. Shopify is a combination of a website builder and an e-commerce solution. Ecwid is a powerful e-commerce solution that offers a standard landing page. Both are cloud and web-based, so they allow you to access your online store from anywhere in the world. Shopify stores only work on the Shopify platform, so once you get started, you can get locked in quite easily. However, Ecwid plugs into practically any website builder and can allow you to sell in multiple places online. It's super powerful if you want to sell on WordPress, Wix, or Weebly, or within your partner's websites. Both have social and marketplace e-commerce capabilities. Ecwid literally takes 5 minutes to set up. No joke, there's a video on my YouTube channel where I show you how to open your online store, add 2 products, a shipping method, a payment method, and taxes in less than 5 minutes. Watch it and you'll be astonished. However, the setup process in Shopify is much more complex, especially if you don't have a development or programming background. And in that case, you may have to hire a developer to help you out. The Shopify app marketplace definitely has more apps than Ecwid's. But contrary to Shopify, Ecwid is laser focused on being an awesome e-commerce solution, and therefore they have a lot more baked-in features than Shopify does. For example, Ecwid's product options are extremely powerful, and they allow you unlimited options within the free or in the paid plans, contrary to Shopify. For example, you can add text boxes, multi-choice selectors, and a date selector. Whereas Shopify has basic features and then charges you extra for all the extra app integrations and upgrades. Speaking of pricing, Ecwid offers a forever free plan. So if you have less than 10 products and don't need advanced features, you can use Ecwid for free forever. However, Shopify is only free for 14 days. That's enough time for you to start importing your products and creating your online store, and then getting stuck and wasting a lot of time. Also, another really important thing to note is that Shopify takes commissions on your sales. Ecwid, on the other hand, never takes any commissions on your sales. And that can be a huge advantage depending on the volume of sales you make. Shopify may seem cheaper at start, but can become much more expensive than Ecwid depending on the features that you need and your volume of sales. Ecwid offers transparent pricing that is very affordable for small business owners. This is definitely one of Ecwid's greatest strengths, in my opinion. They offer incredibly awesome user experience. If you have no technical development skills, you will love working with Ecwid. It's very simple and intuitive. And Ecwid's automated setup process will help make sure that you set up your store from A to Z. Shopify is fairly easy to use, but will require development skills if you want to take your store to the next level, especially when it comes to design and getting it to match your brand aesthetically. Another huge advantage of Ecwid is its language capabilities. The seller control panel in Ecwid is available in over 20 languages, and the storefront translates into over 50 languages for your customers. So depending on their browser settings, everything that's written by Ecwid in default in your storefront will translate to your customer's language. However, Shopify's backend is only available in 4 languages. Ecwid will also translate emails that are sent to your customers automatically for up to 12 languages depending on their browser settings. Whereas in Shopify, you have to do this manually, and you may not be able to translate certain things depending on your theme. So to conclude, Ecwid is probably a better choice for you if you already have a website and you don't want to start from scratch all over again. If you just want to add e-commerce capabilities to your current website, then Ecwid is definitely the right choice for you. If you want to benefit from a forever free plan instead of just a free trial, then go with Ecwid. If you want to get selling online quickly and easily, if you don't want to pay commission on your sales, if you're a small or medium-sized business owner, if you don't want to hire a web agency or a developer to create your online store, then give Ecwid a try for free today. No credit cards required. Simply click on the card above or the link in the description below. If you want to learn how to create a professional online store in only one day, check out my Ecwid e-commerce power course. The course contains 60 videos that you can watch in one day and will teach you how to set up your store and get sales starting day one. If you want a more detailed review of Ecwid versus Shopify, check out the link in the description below that will bring you to my blog post that contains even more information. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Ecwid tips and tricks.